So, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of the podcast, Connection Stories of Us. If you don't want to miss the episodes, you may click like and subscribe or follow my TikTok account, Citron is OP. So, the topic is, what if you like that person? What if you like the person very much? You admired that person. It may be your inspiration of your studies, your dreams, everything. And a typical story goes that starts on a friendship that when one of the circle of friends of each of you caught bonding each other, they'll start teasing you and like each other. You deny it, but deep inside you like each other. But what if when you found out that your crush is now having a boyfriend and someone else? This is the story that I'm gonna talk about on today on this episode. So let's back. Okay, so here's the story. On the classroom, typical setting in a senior high school, there is a girl named Belle. And there is a guy that is smart and nerd that names Snoop. And they do not know each other yet until one time that somebody teases Belle for liking him now. That's what he says. You know, in the past, Belle already has boyfriend already. His first boyfriend, I guess. But the fact that he he cheated her a lot of times, and Belle, a typical martyr girlfriend, just accepts his apology a lot of times. That's why she ends up getting hurt a lot of times. Meanwhile, on the other hand, Snoop is studying. He doesn't care about everything yet outside. His family doesn't allow him to have a girlfriend until he finishes his study. So on one night, they meet each other because of an organization that is not close yet. They do not know each other yet about the environment, everything. Not yet. But on the next 2 months, the first time that they meet each other was during the project for United Nations, where they make the pom-poms, cheerings, like that. And then suddenly, a classmate that is snitch make malicious comments like jokes that you liked her, you like him, like that, etc., etc. The teasing continues when there is a persons involved here named Andrew and a girl named Irene. Those are the people are involved. Irene constantly teases Snoop saying that, do you like her? Which he keeps denying it, but you know when a typical crush scenes you're gonna get teased. Meanwhile, on the other hand, Andrew is the one who is a funny guy who keeps on mocking them for liking them, like, oh, they like each other, sana all. Like that, you know the what I'm saying. So on that time, Andrew, I no, the main character, Snoop, is secretly admiring her. On that time, she still has boyfriend yet. She accepts his apology that time. When the next semester came, Belle got cheated again and again. She caught him in the bar with another girl kissing, And this time, she had enough. She's now single. And I think that time Snoop has a chance. But you know, Snoop is so scary, awkward like that. Kumbaga torpe in the terms of our Filipino words. He's torpe. The chance that they can crush back is like almost high because they were seatmates when the seating arrangement occurs by the teacher. And the fact that it's by family name and it's just a coincidence that they are beside each other. There is no everything. No no bias picks from the teacher that says, "Oh, you Snoop sit here and this one." No, it's just based on the family name. So at that time, Snoop tries to advises her about the boyfriend cheating on her a lot of times already. She had enough. And her friends, of course, named Joanna and Diana, and yeah, those people are the ones trying to tell Snoop that you have chance for her. But you know, Snoop is keep on denying that she has boyfriend. So that's it. At that time, when they're single, when she's single, Andrew is so torpe. He tried everything, but she said, "You're don't expect too much. You're just a friend." Oh, it's so painful. You know what I mean. And then it found out that on the next more months, she already finds another boyfriend, but it's not him. It's not Snoop, but he ends up with another guy named Christoph, the another guy, and also one of Snoop's circle of friends. It's Snoop doesn't care about everything. He just keeps joking that he will just study calculus, derivatives like that. Focuses on academics, just joking around. But they keep teasing that you are jealous that they are together. But in the end, Snoop decides to respect their decision and accepts that they are just friends. That's all. May it be one day that Snoop can already find a girlfriend only after college. He just hopes that one day there will be a new love of his life. Meanwhile, Belle will be happy with Christoph. That's the end of the story. And what do you see about this picture? It's a girl that is admiring him. But the story is reversed because the guy likes her. But in the vision, it's like this. I just chose this picture because this is the closest one that I think of. So, anyways, what can I advise for the both of them of the story? For Snoop, advice is number one, just continue studying. Um, do not get affected by not getting crushed back. Instead, just take it as inspiration and you will learn it in the future. One day, as what I said earlier, you can find your true love. Next is respect. Just respect the decision of the person you like and do not force yourself to be crushed back. You will just get hurt in the end, to be honest. And the other one is what you call study, study, study. You just keep on studying. And the other one is just as what you said in the story that you will just have crush but not in a relationship. Just have a crush. That's it. You can crush because you want an inspiration. You just crush because you like the person. You just many reasons you like her. But please learn your limits. If you want to pursue your dreams, do not engage in a serious relationship I'm not saying that those who are in serious relationship while studying are the ones that has no dreams. I just said that I just said it because it's job visualization. Plus, some of the in relationship succeed in studies, although yeah. And as for Belle's advice, I just only need few words to say. Number one, if you're happy with that person, just go. Number two, if you found out that he is cheating on you once again, please do not make the mistake on keep on forgiving, because once a cheater, always a cheater. No matter how they say that I will not cheat anymore, babe, I love you, blah blah blah. The first time that you cheat a person, you do not love that person already. I promise you, mark my words. In fact, if there is no reason in cheating, no justification. If you're not happy with your partner, why would you pursue it in the first place? And also, if you got cheated, stop being a martyr. Okay? You will just get hurt more. Because the chances are, if you're the martyr person, the tendency is he will keep on abusing you, or she, or anyone listening to the podcast. If you got cheated, stop forgiving him. Go, move on, find another one that is real. And yeah, that's it. Another advice for you is just study. Yeah, studying. If you want to pursue a dream, just study. Number three, learn your limits, because you already have found another boyfriend. Of course, you need to avoid the something like that. You know, I'm not forcing you. I'm just advice. It's just an advice. You need to avoid intimations, like you need going in the bedroom together like that. It's something. It's okay to date. Just learn how to limit yourself, because you know nowadays there's an issue of teenage pregnancy nowadays because of boyfriend girlfriend thingy like that. That's it. You will have so much issue and you will get pregnant and you will have now another problems. So the moral of the story, if you don't get crushed back, just stop forcing yourself from that person. Okay? That's it. Thank you for listening to my podcast, and please like and subscribe. And if you want your story to be featured, please follow the description down below. See you on Monday, because our schedule is Monday to Saturday, 7 p.m. But I will upload it later. I was so late. Sorry. Because I am having dinner. Okay, so that's it. Bye. The shortest podcast. So, thank you. Bye.